In my 17 years of experience in beauty industry, laser hair removal is one of my best expertise. I use different kinds of laser hair removal machine from old technology up to new technology. Our laser hair removal machine is Cynosure machine that is made in USA. It is suitable to all skin type. It is painless and cost-effective. If you have an unwanted hair, coarse hair, black hair, thin hair, and you are dreaming to have a smoother skin, softer skin, and flawless skin, and you want to achieve a 60 to 80% result, you can visit Deltamax Medical Center in Dubai. Looking forward to see you all and have a nice day. Thank you!